Ecstatic G. Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have Santa Fe break quickly to start rushing about the at Ecstatic G. Verging line in between horses. Doña Oliva. What na boy is running by the Railway Fighter. In the wind is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch. We have Ecstatic G. Says why we followed if we can take the lead in the early part of the race, enjoying a half length lead, rushing up down on the inside is Verging line. The next online, What na boy, then followed now by Doña Oliva, and on the outside is Saint-Tropez, and a long way back to Fighter. In the wind, who's racing in less. And at the fourth turn, we have Verging line, moving up Ecstatic G. Then here comes Doña Oliva, now moving up on the outside. What na boy comes next, then followed by Saint-Tropez and Fighter in the wind. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Verging line, moving up on the outside is Doña Oliva. Ecstatic G comes next, then followed by What na boy. And on the outside is Fighter in the wind. Last 100 meters, we have Verging line. Doña Oliva, Fighter in the wind is on the outside. Doña Oliva moves up, and finally it's Doña Oliva. Fighter in the wind, Verging line. Then comes.
Alright, number 2, Doña Oliva. Ang siyang unang tuwid sa ating finish line. Then masisigundo ron, malakas yung remate. Number 3, Fighter in the Wind. Then Verging line. 2, 3, 4. Panoorin natin.